StoryThree. Man, this is the worst day ever. I wonder when my shoes gonna be over. It's gonna be over soon. Wake up. What the heck was that? Can y'all stop fighting? I gotta go back to my shit. Yeah, I'm going to make sounds. I'm going to make videos. Sure, someone's over. Come on, it's like 5 more minutes and stuff. I'll step back over here then.